What's up, y'all? I have no idea what I'm doing today. I'm gonna be attempting a perm rod set. I got the blue, I got the purple, and I got the orange. Whew, I don't know. So I just want to remind you guys one more time that I actually don't know what I'm doing, and this is not a tutorial. I'm using the Lotta Body with milk and honey Refine Me curl defining mousse because that's what I have right now. All right, y'all, so it's the morning. Yes, I'm wearing the same shirt because I slept in it, and I feel like I wear this shirt in a lot of content, so don't think I'm dirty. I just like this shirt because God is dope. Like, this is kind of a look, like, all right, I'm gonna use my Hennessy Goddess Hair Finishing Shine and Moisture Spray. Oh my God, I look like James Brown. So I don't think it was a fail overall. I mean, what do y'all think? Let me know in the comments.